Test out our new paddles. My son learns to woodwork and I get schooled. When my son asked me if we could make ping pong paddles in the workshop, I didn't even hesitate with my reply. Does it work?
It's hard to trace it because there's a whole bunch of little bumps. Where's there the less little
So we could kind of skip that knot maybe. So put it like, you could do that.
Mm-hmm. And number 2. Doing this really quickly, just do a quick trace. They look really cool.
Well, I think the handle only needs to come to there. We'll glue these blocks on and then we'll have to like sand them down. But that will be our handle, like that. So you squeeze some glue, put some glue on here, and then on this side, that's alright, we'll wipe that up later.
There we go.
Stick that piece on. That's probably good. Oh. Okay. I was going to do mine just like that. Done!
These aren't done.
Alright, let's shape the handles.
They're blocky. Wait, how did you get yours to...
Set it like this. Gives you the rough dimension. And you have, so roughly that width of your handle, you put your finger there, and then you just go like that. Keep your finger in the same spot. Put your finger there, and then you put the pencil, and then see my finger slides on the wood. So hold the pencil like this. Okay. Now put it there. So what you want to do is put your finger like that. Hold your pencil. Now, one of your fingers, put one of your fingers so it slides on the wood. Like this. I'm left-handed. You see, I'd go like, I'm holding it like this, and this finger sliding on the wood. Yeah, and your middle finger onto the wood, like that, and then all the way down. There you go. And then hold it, don't move your finger. Put it on the other side, all the way down. There you go. Right, all the way so that comes right off. There you go. Keep going. A little bit at a time. Next thing you know, you'll have a handle.
This is a lot better.
Oh yeah.
And now I need the.
So it's okay if it's bumpy because we'll sand that out at the end. You just got to get the rough shape.
So.
Yeah. There you go. Keep it in the kerf. But just don't push down on it when you go back. So pull towards you. Just don't pull it all the way out. Stop, now come back. There you go. There you go. Almost there. Booyah! That one cuts on the push. So it cuts when you push this way. Yeah.
Nothing's really happening.
Do a bit more sanding. We gotta get two. Get it rough so we know where to put the glue. Let's just say 1 to 2 hours. Lightly mist? How are we gonna mist it?
How do you mist it?
It needs to be wet, so we're gonna do that. Alright, back inside, we got some snow.
Just to tell you that might be a lot for this because it said expand, so it's gonna go further than that.
Alright, just spread it out.
It should be safe to touch when it's dry, right?
Oh yeah. Closest to the edge, right? So we gotta get 2 on this one piece.
Because we only have one.
We'll weight it down. Weight that down. plug our new paddles. Wow. Wow! These are fast!